Kia ora guys, and welcome to another Flip video session. Today we're looking at compound words. What does a play on words mean to you? Compound words, what are they? Compound words are words that have been made up by joining smaller words together. Examples: lighthouse, rattlesnake, blueberry, toothbrush, quicksand, toenail, download, grasshopper, firefighter, sunflower, skateboard, breakfast. So, they are quite literal in their meaning. For example, lighthouse. What's a lighthouse? It's a house that gives light. What's a rattlesnake? It's a snake that rattles. What's a blueberry? It's a berry that is blue. What's a toothbrush? It's a brush you use to brush your teeth. What's quicksand? It's sand that you can quickly sink into. They're quite literal in their meaning. The meaning of a compound word is usually very clear from the two words that it is made up out of. A toothbrush, for example, is a brush you clean your teeth with. Very straightforward, guys. Keep an eye out for compound words. See you later.